The following problem under Windows 10. I start a video and the video should have sound, but there is no sound. Although the volume is pretty high, there is no sound. Even if I go here to the speakers in the taskbar and increase it, there is no sound. Why there is no sound? There's no sound because I inserted a microphone to the USB port of the computer. It is Superlux. And if you take a look here at the speaker, it says Superlux. So it's not sending the sounds to the speakers or to the headphones, but it's sending it to this one because this also has a built-in sound card and an output. So we should disable this one as an output. To do that, let's right click on the speakers, right click, open sound settings, and on this window, let's make it smaller, we have sound control panel. Click on that one, sound control panel, and on this smaller window we have playback, that's for the speakers, and Superlux is the default device. It's even noticing my sound as I speak. So we should disable this one as output, right click on it and choose disable. Okay, now right click on an empty area and uncheck this show disabled devices so that it won't show the speakers. Okay, and now we can use either the headphone or let's set it to speakers. Set as default device. Now that one is active. If I close this one, now the video should have sound. And yes, there is sound. So just disable this one as output and enable either the speakers or the headphones.